Hello, my name is Manny Kagan, founder of Money Solutions Academy, and from 1985, also Pacific Bay Financial Corporation, which we started with my wife together and still manage together. And I have a very special guest today. Tom is from company Deephaven. It's sent from heaven, actually. Company which, we have many different lenders who make loans. And when requests came from Millennium Tower, which is until today actually was leading tower of San Francisco, today's paper says that the work is completed and it's fixed. Most of lenders, or all lenders, said no. Deephaven was the only one who said yes, and it was huge because thanks to Deephaven, I can build a relationship with many real estate agents. And Tom flew in especially from Montana just to see me, to thank me for giving him business. And of course, to try to get more business, but it's a given, right? Well, tell us about what Deephaven is.
So Deephaven is a wholesale mortgage lender. We're a direct lender. Our liquidity comes from a company called Pretium Financial.
When you say liquidity, people don't understand this. What does that mean?
That means the money that we get, our backers, are the money that we use to
large
fund your loans.
source of money.
Yes.
Let me explain maybe for some of you who don't understand. So mortgage banks, unlike conventional banks who get money from depositors, they need to have lines of credit. Like we have personal lines of credit, same with banks. So mortgage bank, they get the money, they make loans, and they either keep loans or sell it. Most times they sell it. They sell it to the investors who buy these loans, and this way they're getting money back.
Correct.
So this allows them to continue the cycle. So they're making each transaction creates certain flow of income, and then this is how mortgage banks exist.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we are a non-qualifying mortgage direct lender, and we specialize in the self-employed via a 12-month bank statement program. We'll take an average of deposits. We also have a product, our non-prime product, which is no seasoning on bankruptcies in a nutshell, and some more lenient trade line. And then we have our DSCR investment product as well.
DSCR, we probably hear you mention, is debt service coverage, which allows lenders to qualify loans based on income from the property,
Yes.
rents. Yes.
Yep, that's correct.
Yeah.
Typically that's done through the form 1007 on the appraisal that you get.
Which is again, it's just a formula which lenders use. It's, when we hear conversation with lenders, sometimes it's confusing because they use terminology which direct to us.
Yes.
But we'll know what to do with this.
Yes.
Then I have a question, because what you mentioned, all of this became staple or standard loan programs. Every lender you call or send us rate sheets or information, they're the same programs. You came here especially to convince us to continue working with you outside of Millennium Tower. So why would we do it?
Well, the biggest reason is right now, Deephaven is on a path like we talked about earlier when I first got here. Our goal is to do $300 million in a month. Basically, we're wanting to buy 30% of the market share.
It's a lot of money. It's really a lot of money, and specifically in a time when some people yell and scream, there's no business. There's plenty of business.
Yes. And with that being said, that gives us the ability, based on our volume, to do a little bit more exception-based lending for you guys, which in turn helps you attain and attract more of your clients.
Like Millennium Tower,
Correct.
Which is huge exception.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
So on top of that, also rate concessions to help you compete to earn the deal initially.
In other words, when you say rate, because rate for me has different connotation.
Mm-hmm.
Rate allows me to qualify client versus not to qualify.
Yep.
So of course we are subject to market fluctuations. But so working with Deephaven, I can almost negotiate interest rate or ask if I will have this rate, and you might say yes.
But basically, when Amy quotes me when Amy calls me, I will give her a price based on the rate sheet. Okay, And if you call your real estate agent and they're like, they might be shopping you with another lender as well, or with another mortgage broker. That's always a possibility. And I have the ability to give you up to another quarter off in rate, roughly, just rough figures. And what that does is that helps you'll know that we've had these conversations, and then you know that you have a special off sheet pricing that you can go back and go, hey, now I can go back to this real estate agent and really take the gloves off and try to really earn this deal initially.
Yes.
So
very interesting.
Yes.
2 comments. First of all, you mentioned name Amy. So Amy stands behind I wanted her to be on a screen. She refused it. So I asked her to press the button. So Amy is today director of photography, but Amy, without Amy, I wouldn't be able to do my business, because Amy is my right hand, left hand, and all her right hands. Because thanks to her, we're closing those deals, because she's the one who negotiates with lenders, and then I have a processor who processes files. But there's a team. For us, it's a team. We cannot do loans. But then you mentioned something else. Another team member, real estate agent.
Yes.
Because I see it as a part of the team. So you are I was mentioning to you that I have 3 masters. I have a client, I have a real estate agent who refers me client, and I have a lender who I have to pray to, like Deephaven in heaven, to enable us to make things happen.
Absolutely.
And thanks to you, we do it. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. My name is Manny Kagan, and I promise to help you. Thank you.